Hi everyone, this is Charmisha, and I'm the business head at Wealth One PMS and AIF Investments. So, Wealth One is into the distribution of PMS and AIF investments, and we launched a couple of months ago in the industry. And one thing that I'm constantly asked is this: that how are we different from the existing distributors that are there in India? See, while I understand that every company, every firm brings its own differentiation, I would like to take some time out and walk you guys across or walk you guys through the differentiation that we at Wealth One are bringing along, right? To give you a brief context, I have been in this industry for about the last 5 years, specifically in the PMS and AIF industry. And by having a conversation or by being acquainted with the audience that's there, I know one thing for sure that the HNIs, the Hugh HNIs, the NRIs, the sophisticated investors, the one thing that they want today is transparency. And I believe that transparency in our industry shouldn't be a luxury. It's a responsibility that companies like us bring in this industry and should bring in this industry. So at Wealth One, we follow this philosophy, we follow this motto, and we are transparent to the T. So the moment you land on our website, you are landing at this table, which is divided into the PMS tab, the Category 3 AIF tab, and the All tab, which combines the PMSs and the Category 3 AIFs, right? Let's stick to PMS for the sake of simplicity while I walk you through the table that we have. So once you land on this table, there are a few parameters. As you can see, you can play with this data depending on however you like, right? You can toggle. Now, this is by default that the table will display. You can toggle across these columns. For example, you want to look at AUM in ascending or descending order. You want to look at age in ascending or descending order. You want to look at any returns across time periods in ascending or descending order. You can toggle them as per your wish. Now, this is what the default setting is, right? Now, as an investor, considering myself as an investor, I will not want to see, for example, 1 month return because judging any particular PMS or AIF by 1 month return is very naive and not something anyone would recommend, right? So I would go here to columns. I would deselect 1 month. What I do is I then maybe select beta if I want to see it with respect to beta as well. I don't want to see 6 month also, but I'm okay with these parameters. And I'm going to apply changes. Okay, I also want to see say AMC name. I will apply these changes and my table will reformat or restructure itself based on my needs and my parameters that I've selected. Now, the fun does not end here. It continues in this icon, which is the filters icon, where I can play with these filters as well. Say I am an investor who's looking to invest into a PMS with certain set criterias, which are I am only looking at fund who's at least been in the market for 2 years and for a maximum of say 8 years. I am only looking at say mid and small cap or right and maybe multi-cap as well. I'm only going to look at those funds. And so see if you can see over here, there are still 170 funds that are available with this particular filters. Now I will narrow this down to one last criteria, which is the AUM. See, I'm looking at funds which have a minimum AUM of 250 crores and a maximum AUM of say 4,500 crores. So once I do that, out of 170 funds that were available, I am only left with 51 rows. So depending on my filters and my criteria that I keep on changing or keep on playing with, the funds will narrow down, number of funds will narrow down, and I'll be left with a short list of funds that are okay for me as an investor, right? So I can then maybe over here I can toggle with respect to 3 years in descending order returns. And now I am say interested in Walfort, Green Lantern, and Equity. So I'm gonna just click on these. I'm gonna click on compare. So when I click on compare, I'm led to a separate page altogether which gives me a basic overview, a basic brief comparison of these three funds that I've selected, and I can go through it. This opens in a separate tab so that my table remains untouched over here. And when that happens, I keep coming back to the table. Now, say, assuming that I am an experienced investor in this industry and I've already invested in this fund called Wolfort. So, what I'm going to do is when I'm playing with my toggles over here, I click on Wolfort and I click hide, because that is no longer a part of my comparison because I'm already invested into that fund. So now I see all the other funds which fit my criteria except for the one I've already invested into. So the 51 funds now become 50, and I'm left with up in the universe of 500 plus PMSs. I am now left with these 50 to choose from. This data is updated every month. So right now, as you can see, it is as of October 31st, 2025, and it's the 9th of December today, right? By 12th of every month, maximum, or 13th of every month, the data is updated as of last month. So by 12th or 13th of December, maximum, you'll be able to see data as of November end. So it gets auto updated every month. So that's about the dashboard we have to offer at Wealth One. And I invite everyone to please visit our website, www.wealthone.com, and take a look at it. Of course, at the end of the day, we are here to help you compare, select, connect you with these fund managers, and so on. But this basic transparency is what we wanted to give to our investors, and to all those asking us what differentiation we bringing. This is the differentiation we at Wealth One are bringing in. You're most welcome to play along the data that's available on this table on our website. Basic data is available for free. No gateways are there, no subscription, no registrations, nothing required. Of course, if you want to deep dive on certain ratios, certain parameters, we ask you to go to our product pages and look at it specifically. If you click on any of these, you'll be redirected to the product page or the AMC page, wherein you get a detailed overview of all the data that is available on our platform. But the basics are available on the homepage itself, without any gateways, being transparent, and that's about the dashboard explanation that I wanted to give you guys. So I invite you to please check out our website, www.wealthfund.com. Feel free to toggle along, play along the data, the table, and everything. And to deep dive into more of these, we are here. You can, of course, schedule a call with us, and we'll be there connecting with you and explaining to you whatever you want. So, look forward to connecting with you guys, and open to feedbacks and improvements that we can do. Please take a look at it, and thank you. This is Chanmi Shah signing off on behalf of Wealth One.